कलर्स के साथ खेलना है, but not the main primary colors in my house, which is white, grey, black, silver. Completely different to what in India there is.
Yes,
You know,
yes.
you know, everybody was telling me कि आप डिजाइन करो अपना घर और आपके बच्चे बड़े हो रहे हैं, आप देखना आपको हर टाइम हर 6 महीना आपके वॉल्स पेंट करने पड़ेंगे. And I was like, really? They don't do anything. See, it's
yes.
just about how you talk to them and how you train them.
Train them.
When I had my kids, I traveled more. And my kids became my best travel buddies. मेरे बच्चे इतने particular है कि जो भी चीज़ों से खेलेंगे वो वापस रखेंगे. तो ये habit ये लोग ने ऑलरेडी डेवलप किया है. वो मेरा रूम मिस करेंगे लेकिन अपना नहीं. It's like that. And they love their beds clean. It has to be clean. Motherhood में there is not a single day where you can take a day off.
Correct.
Okay. However, saying that, day off का मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप पूरा दिन गधा मजदूरी कर रहे हो. It's your me time. For me, spending time with them is a me time. So once you are friendly to your child and once you enjoy all the trouble, masti, mazak, fun, it just makes your day.
Right, right.
Absolutely. This is my favorite picture. As a family, first time we faced the camera.
Nice.
Teddy bears, most of the teddy bears are mine. This one was like a Christmas teddy that I had collected. So जब भी लंदन में ये हुआ था ना, baby shower मेरे, full house was full of teddy bears. When I'm painting, my kids will come, can I do this, can I do that? I don't say no to them. So this is also textured and this is a two-tone. So if you see with the light, you'll see the gold. It reflects. The gold completely reflects.
Yeah. And why this? I mean,
Piano, because kids play piano. So they're learning, you know, everything. Like we encourage art, we encourage talent. Let them explore. It's mine, Afine's and the kids' space because हमारे work calls यहाँ पे होते हैं, Zoom calls यहाँ पे होते हैं, meetings यहाँ पे होता है.
Hello, sir.
Hi. Come.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
You're looking so beautiful, so beautiful.
Thank you and so are you.
Yes, thank you so much. कितना प्यारा है.
ये inspired है मेरे first horse से, my pet Esmeralda.
You love paintings, ना?
I love paintings.
You like
I do.
making paintings अपने free time पे?
Yes.
हाँ?
Yes. Free time पे मैं time बनाती हूँ paintings के लिए. और वो ज़्यादातर चलता है full night,
हाँ.
then the day, and then the next night. So 2-3 दिन continuously चलेगा फिर.
Wow, यार, very good, very good. But Sara, I want to ask you, मैंने recently आपका एक वीडियो देखा था जहाँ पे आपका सैलून का ओपनिंग भी हुआ था.
जी.
मैं अब क्या क्या कर रही होती है आप मुझे बता दीजिए. एक्टिंग करी सिंघम अगेन में आपने, सिंघम में भी आपने तबाही मचा दी थी, फिर चाहे सैलून खोल लिया, बिग बॉस में भी आपने, आपका कम टाइम था बट लेकिन यू रॉक्ड इट देयर ना, नाम बनाकर आ गए अपन वहाँ से. एंड देन यू आर keep enjoying your life. So the bubbly self आपका दिखता रहता है मुझे सोशल मीडिया पे.
I love doing different things. क्योंकि I think women वैसे ही बहुत multi talented होते हैं और हम एक चीज पे खुश नहीं रह सकते. खास करके जो आर्टिस्ट होते हैं, जो you know जिनको आर्ट से इंस्पायर होता है, तो they'll do everything. My acting is an art.
Yes.
This is an art.
Yes.
Salon again. I wanted to get into. I already have a very big company जो एशिया में सबसे biggest company है Mind Coaching का. And then I just thought कि Pallavi is a friend of mine, dear friend of mine. तो वो पार्लर का वैसे ही she had a salon. And then she wanted to open कि दूसरे जगह में, तो मैंने बोला okay, I'm in, let's do it. So that's how it started. It's just
यार, I love the people you know who opens about salon because मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है salons कोई खोलता है तो
Really?
I love salons.
Come visit.
Yes, someday for
Get
sure.
yourself pampered.
Yes, and we'll make a video. You will be pampering by that day. The businesswoman will be sitting in the chair and you know पूरा pampering session होगा.
Yeah,
But you
we
have
do it.
such a beautiful house, you know.
Thank you.
Very
Thank you very
beautiful
much.
house. सारे पूरे flowers, greenery. I mean क्या concept है? You designed this place?
Yes, me with the help of again another friend Nidhi.
Okay.
तो मुझे already पता था मुझे क्या चाहिए. So मुझे पता था कि walls white चाहिए across. मुझे पता था कि मुझे सीमेंट फ्लोरिंग चाहिए, you know, concrete flooring. मुझे पता था कि मुझे कलर्स के साथ खेलना है, but not the main primary colors in my house, which is white, grey, black, silver. Completely different to what in India there is.
Yes,
you know.
yes.
So क्योंकि blacks ज़्यादा घर पे नहीं होता है,
Correct.
greys ज़्यादा घर पे नहीं होता है, फीचर वॉल ब्लैक नहीं होता है.
Right.
तो ये फीचर वॉल ब्लैक होने का मेरी डिजाइनर ने मुझे आइडिया दिया, बिकॉज आई वांटेड दिस वुडन पैनल.
हाँ.
Then she said, wooden panel, why don't you do it on top of a dark wall? I'm like, okay. So she helped me bring my ideas to life.
Crazy. I mean, it is looking so pretty.
And I love space.
Every corner you have a, you know, paintings which is done by you. तो आपने अपना कला को भी, talent को भी ना बहुत अच्छे तरीके से सजा दिया है रूम में.
And I love my green friends. This
Yes.
one is a ponytail plant. I love it.
But how does your day goes? What all you do in a day? I mean, fully.
एक तो मेरे बच्चे मुझे busy रखते हैं, ठीक है, fit भी रखते हैं.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Apart from that, I have पेंटिंग्स जो मैं रात को शुरू करती हूँ, वो मेरा रात का स्पेस होता है. कभी कभी दिन तक चला जाता है, बट देन अगेन आई टेक अ ब्रेक, देन अगेन आई रीस्टार्ट एट नाइट. सो पेंटिंग्स इज फॉर नाइट्स. देन ऑब्वियसली पल्लवी इज द मेन पर्सन हु इज हैंडलिंग द कॉरल सैलून.
Okay.
Me, I'm handling other, I don't know how many, 50 things, my company.
Yes.
To start with. Arfleen and me are working together to,
Yes.
you know,
Yes.
do a live seminar.
Yeah.
And obviously looking at acting projects, looking at a lot of other things. And plus I love traveling as well. So
Do you love Mumbai the more or Dubai?
honestly, if you ask me, I love Mumbai. लेकिन मुझे वो बोलते हैं ना कि रिलेशनशिप में भी
हाँ.
कभी कभी स्पेस होना ज़रूरी है.
Correct.
तो मैं थोड़ा सा ब्रेक लेती हूँ और फिर वापस आ जाती हूँ.
But बॉम्बे के कोई फेवरेट जॉइंट्स या कॉर्नर्स हैं आपके?
हाँ, बहुत है एक्चुअली. I like all my friends' restaurants first of all.
हाँ.
I like the experience restaurants. I like Juhu a lot. So, you know, I hang out there. I sometimes just walk. Just walk in my thoughts. I take my kids there. बच्चों को बहुत पसंद है बीच, तो हम लोग कभी गोवा चले जाते हैं because of them.
Yes.
Then again Dubai or Versova beach or Juhu beach.
Nice.
So it's fun. So.
But how much has life changed after Big Boss?
Publicly, yes.
Overall, yeah.
It is like everybody recognizes you on your first name. पहले character नाम से पुकारते थे.
Correct.
You know, when you,
हाँ.
yeah. Yes. But अभी सीधा hi सारा, और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि oh my friend, and then I'm like oh no. Like, so एक अपनापन जो है audience ने बहुत ही अपनापन दिखाया है, तो वो एक बहुत बड़ा change है.
हाँ, and people have told you that they were someone who were true. जितने दिन तक थे, I mean you got this comments also, आपको मिला होगा. I was going through, तो मैंने देखे थे कि जितने दिन भी है आप दोनों ही, you guys were true.
Yes.
You were not fake.
No,
I mean, like others.
yeah.
You guys didn't know how to play a game. You were just true to yourself and to
It's
everyone.
reality, right?
Yes.
There's no script. You're supposed to be yourself.
Yeah.
मैं ऐसी नहीं हूँ कि मुझे दुनिया के लिए कुछ और दिखाना है. You know, लोग, लेकिन अनफॉर्चुनेटली लोग का ऐसे है जो दुनिया के लिए अलग बनते हैं और जो प्राइवेट में अलग है वो ज्यादा चलता है.
Correct.
लेकिन मेरे स्पेस में मी, माय फ्रेंड्स, माय फैमिली हैज टू बी ट्रू, एंड दैट्स व्हाट वर्क्स फॉर मी.
Yes.
सो
Yes.
चाहे वो गुस्सा हो, चाहे वो चिल्लाना हो, चाहे वो प्यार हो, चाहे वो रिश्ते बनाना हो, I think it's a part of human, right?
Correct. Right.
I got trolled also for that.
I know,
you know,
I know,
like
yes.
mental coach का मतलब क्या? You can't be expressive.
Correct.
Mental coach को गुस्सा नहीं आता? Of course आता है, especially women.
Correct.
And I coach women.
Yes.
And I don't coach them to control their anger.
Yes.
I coach to bring out your emotions, your true emotions.
Absolutely. Right.
And that was my game, because everybody was taking me for a ride, so I had to build that wall. And that was my strategy. आप reality show में योगा तो करने नहीं आए थे.
Correct. But your style, you styled yourself also in a very good way, huh?
That was another thing altogether. I did not get my clothes inside. I was like panicking. So towards the end, I was like, क्या है? मेरे कपड़े नहीं आ रहे. आफरीन का तो weekend का बाहर पूरा कपड़ा नहीं आया.
हाँ, I saw.
It
But
was
then
crazy.
still you were in the full fit, मतलब अच्छे तरीके से you were styled yourself also.
Thank you.
in
You've
the
been
show.
kind.
Yes. But also wanted to ask कि जब I want to take back to your days जब आपको सिंघम मिली थी,
जी.
ना जब रोहित शेट्टी ने आपको अप्रोच किया था, how was that process? Was that challenging, the role? Because दो रोल निभाना is not an easy task.
मतलब when I got the role, I you know, दो चीजें आती है कि एक तो आप ये सोचोगे कि इतने बड़े स्टारकास्ट के साथ आप गुम जाओगे.
Correct.
ठीक है, एक तो ये सोच होता है. दूसरा सोच होता है कि let's take a risk, and we actors, I'm sorry, we have to take a risk.
Yes. Yes.
तो मैंने सोचा रोहित शेट्टी, negative role, they're all powerful characteristics.
Right.
So I said, and who will say no to Rohit sir? And I'm like, let's do it. And it turned out to be great.
Yes.
And everybody on the sets, when we were working, off screen, on screen, everybody was very good. So they just made the experience even more comfortable.
More comfortable, yeah. Chalo, we'll go to your bachche ka room.
Oh,
we want to
come on.
talk about some motherhood experience, some children's नोक झोंक, नौटंकी, मस्ती, ये सब के बारे में. Let's go. Yeah. So Sara, I wanted to ask you the difference between this mind coach, life coach. People often get confused about it.
Life coach, mind coach is a little similar.
Okay.
Now, what Afeen does is he coaches your life through giving you some tools of handling your mind.
Okay.
कैसा होता है ना, लाइक आप साइकियाट्रिस्ट के पास जाओ तो आपको हर टाइम एक सेशन होता है. यू इवन गेट डिपेंडेंट ऑन द साइकियाट्रिस्ट. हियर ही डजंट मेक यू डिपेंड अपॉन हिम फॉर सर्टेन पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, like whatever it is, 6 months, 8 months, he'll coach you. He'll make sure he gives you enough formulas, mental formulas to use in your life.
Right.
So it's difficult to explain, but it's a beautiful thing.
Yes.
You know.
I mean, he has changed the past around 60,000 more than that.
Yeah.
I've read it. I mean, it's too good, right?
He's damn good. Even internationally, he's very well known.
But did it help you anytime?
Yes, because you know what happens? आप जैसे बच्चों को कोच करते हो ना?
Correct.
हाँ?
Yes.
बच्चों को आप बोल के नहीं कोच कर सकते हो. अपने हैबिट और अपने एक्शन से वो लोग सीखते हैं.
Right.
If you tell the kids कि रेड लाइट में ही सिर्फ क्रॉस करना और आप खुद ग्रीन लाइट में क्रॉस कर रहे हो, तो वो आपके बातें नहीं मानेंगे. आपका एक्शन देखेंगे कि आप बोलते कुछ और हो, करते कुछ और हो. अगर आप ये सीख पढ़ा रहे हो अपने बच्चों को कि झूठ नहीं बोलना, लेकिन आपके सामने अगर किसी का कॉल आया हो, आई एम बिजी राइट नाउ बट यू आर जस्ट सिटिंग वाचिंग टीवी, दे नो, दे पिक इट अप लाइक दिस. सो विद Afeen I have seen, I have learned a lot of things like unnecessary stress नहीं लेना, how to handle things differently, you know. जैसे women, we like taking unnecessary stress.
Correct, absolutely.
Men are more about solution. Women are about dwelling in the problem a little more because that gives us attention, you know. We like that significance, we like that, so we stay longer.
Also, we need sometimes validation, you know.
Yeah, of course, that's why we do it most of the time as well. Validation from anybody, even for ourselves, we like that feeling dwelling. So he has, through him I have learned it's not needed. Be in that, whatever you want, 5, 10 minutes, 1 hour max, get out of it. Because otherwise आप वो energy उस तरीके का बना रहे हो which is spoiling all the energies and attracting wealth, health and more greater vibration. Because women's vibration is the most important thing.
Right.
Your alone vibration can change the entire family's vibration. It's that powerful. So woman of the house has to take that responsibility, and we have that power.
Yes.
So,
I mean, men generally these days give that power to you, that कि भाई handle कर ले तू पूरा घर को.
Absolutely. So this is where I come in. So I coach women, or I hold seminars in valuing yourself more.
But what have you seen the changes these days between women?
I have.
Yeah.
कुछ ज़्यादा ही.
They're empowering themselves also nowadays. Society में भी I have seen this.
Honestly, it is too much empowerment. We don't need इतना भी empowerment की ज़रूरत नहीं है. हम लोग
चाहिए.
ऐसे ही
अब
सब
एक दूसरे
दुनिया
से
लेके चल रहे हैं.
Yeah. But we are here at your children's room. Yes, है ना? बहुत क्यूट सा रूम है. जब
है,
आपने ये बोला कि
डिजाइन नहीं किया
because it doesn't look like and so clean. बच्चों का रूम इतना क्लीन नहीं होता है जनरली.
वो बहुत
वो भी वॉल्स में भी कोई दाग नहीं है, कोई धब्बा नहीं है जैसे हमने बचपन में किया.
पूरे घर में you will not see, like you know, everybody was telling me कि आप डिजाइन करो अपना घर और आपके बच्चे बड़े हो रहे. आप देखना, आपको हर टाइम हर 6 महीना आपके वॉल्स पेंट करने पड़ेंगे. And I was like really? तो जो मुझे लोगों ने बोला है, उन लोगों को हर चीज को मैंने प्रूव रॉन्ग किया है. They don't do anything. You see, it's just about how you talk to them and how you train them. फिर मुझे बोला गया था कि बच्चे होंगे तो आप ज्यादा ट्रैवल नहीं कर पाओगे, क्योंकि मैं बहुत ट्रैवल करती थी. When I had my kids, I traveled more, and my kids became my best travel buddies.
You know, there's a saying that when you become mother, you will lose yourself.
No, absolutely not. You get more of yourself.
Yeah.
इतना डाइवर्सिफाई हो जाता है.
Correct.
Like even when you have a pet, forget when you have a kid, when you have a pet also, you know, you become twice as much as you are. There's more love, there's more gratitude. Then imagine having your own 2 little beings.
Correct.
Or even 1 being. It's like crazy.
Yes, crazy experience. But when I say mother or mom, what is the first thing comes in your mind?
Responsible for somebody's life.
Yeah. And the first day when you held your
Daughter and son.
दोनों को साथ में किया था. Hold, तो what was your first thought? What was the first thing came in your mind?
Honestly, I was blank.
हाँ.
I was blank because एक immediate होता है कि till yesterday you were pregnant, today you have these two, and I was just looking at them, numb. I was numb. मुझे वो hit ही नहीं हुआ, काफी दिन तक hit नहीं हुआ कि I'm a mother. Because एक तो जब होता है ना, especially twins या triplets या quadruplets, इतनी सारी चीजें होती है. You have to feed, you have to change, you have to feed, you have to change, you have to this, you have to this. This is your medicines, that is your. You are still in that process. And then one fine day, I got up at night and I'm looking at these two beautiful angels next to me. And I fell in love all over again. And that love, आप उसको measure भी नहीं कर सकते हो.
Can understand this because I'm also a twin, and
Really?
yeah.
Even Afeen is a twin.
So me and my sister Jayanti we both are twins, and my mom keeps saying me that कि twin बच्चों को संभालना ना कोई नहीं समझ सकता, जिसको twin हो वही समझ सकता है.
Absolutely.
At the same time you're handling two of them together.
Yeah.
So it's just a blessing, I think.
It is a blessing. It is a blessing.
But we'll go. अब बताओ ये corner मतलब क्या क्या है ये सारी चीज़ों के बारे में. And such a clean room, यार. I'm loving it. हम बच्चे में ऐसे नहीं थे.
मेरे बच्चे इतने पर्टिकुलर है कि जो भी चीज़ों से खेलेंगे वो वापस रखेंगे. तो ये हैबिट ये लोग ने ऑलरेडी डेवलप किया है. वो मेरा रूम मिस करेंगे लेकिन अपना नहीं. It's like that. And they love their beds clean. It has to be clean. Like they don't want, एक बार उठेंगे अपना बेड बनाएंगे और किसी को बैठने भी नहीं देंगे.
ये आपने बताया, इन लोग को सिखाया है ये चीज?
ये इन लोग ने, it's just something कि we always follow. जब हम लंदन में होते हैं तो हम सबसे पहले जब उठते हैं अपना बेड बनाते हैं. So it's just one of those things that
clean. Yes. That is.
And this is when I brought them to India. So this is when they were 192 days. So we got their hand and feet printed.
Wow.
So this is Aiza's with a pink bow, and that is Zidane's with a blue bow.
Wow. This is so cute. And the painting is done by?
That?
Yeah.
Me.
Wow.
So I do kids painting also, for kids. क्योंकि ये आप देखोगे कि हमेशा बड़े लोग का पेंटिंग है. अगर आपको किसी बर्थडे पार्टी में जाना है तो कोई पर्सनल गिफ्ट हो तो आई थिंक द बेस्ट थिंग इज आर्ट पेंटिंग. सो आई इवन मेक एवेंजर्स. से फॉर एग्जांपल वन किड लाइक स्पाइडरमैन, उसका बर्थडे तो स्पाइडरमैन बना दो उसके नाम के साथ एंड दिस एंड दैट. सो आई लव डूइंग दैट.
Wow, and then you give your kids, जाके ये gift दे देना.
Yes, most of the time.
Wow.
Unless I have not had the chance to paint, and they can gift whatever toys they want. But painting is very close to me. I think it's art and it's motivating everybody to
nice.
get into
Actually, I've seen this. Well, all this toys and all. दोनों का same है toys, नहीं?
Almost.
ऐसा होता है कि ट्विंस बच्चों को मतलब सब कुछ सेम चाहिए होता है या सेम पहनाते हो आप?
एक के लिए लाओ तो दूसरी के लिए लाना पड़ता है. लेकिन ये अलग है क्योंकि ये लड़का लड़की. सो इट्स लाइक देयर प्रेफरेंस ऑफ कलर्स एंड द प्रेफरेंस ऑफ ओके फेमिनिन एंड मैस्कुलिन टॉयज. सो दैट इज ऑब्वियसली देयर. बट या इट्स लाइक यू हैव टू गिव देम टू.
बट कभी भी ऐसा कोई टाइम आया है सारा आपके लाइफ में, या यू आर डूइंग सो मेनी थिंग्स कि यार ये नहीं हो रहा मुझसे? कभी ऐसा हुआ है?
काम के सिलसिले में मैं ऐसे बोल सकती हूँ. मदरहुड में देयर इज नॉट अ सिंगल डे वे यू कैन टेक अ डे ऑफ.
करेक्ट.
ओके. हाउएवर सेइंग दैट, डे ऑफ का मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप पूरा दिन गधा मजदूरी कर रहे हो. इट्स योर मी टाइम. फॉर मी स्पेंडिंग टाइम विद देम इज अ मी टाइम. तो हम लोग कभी गार्डन जाते हैं, कभी बीच जाते हैं, कभी हॉलिडे जाते हैं, कभी इट्स जस्ट अमेजिंग. सो वंस यू आर friendly to your child and once you enjoy all the trouble, masti, mazak, fun, it just makes your day.
Right.
Absolutely.
But आप चीजें सीखते भी हैं जब आप हर दिन कुछ ना कुछ न्यू चीजें सीखते हैं. आप you do something new for them so that they also get to know. And so कभी ऐसा टाइम आया आपके लाइफ में कि they get angry and then you are you're doing right from your side, and then how do you deal that situation?
They get angry, of course they get angry. So if I don't listen to them, जैसे एक का सुन रही हूँ, because ये क्या होता है ना, ट्विन के वजह से एक का concentrate, you're not listening to me, you're not listening to me. I said, wait, I'm listening to you, but by then you're upset. तो ऐसे so only one, the boy, Zidane. तो वो थोड़ा ये हो जाता है कि oh, you're not listening to me, but I am listening to you. So like when we are talking and if he has to say, I have to attend to him, but I don't attend to him. I let him wait till his turn comes. So because it's difficult, he gets angry, but I have to teach कि तुमको अपने turn के लिए wait करना है. वो थोड़ा like I know I'm doing right, so
तो गुस्से भी हो जाते होंगे तो you know how to control them.
of course,
है ना?
of course.
बट जब आप माँ बनी फर्स्ट टाइम एंड देन डिड यू रियलाइज कि यार मैं अपने मॉम के साथ ये सारी चीजें गलत करती थी क्योंकि एक अलग अंडरस्टैंडिंग आ जाती है नो द पर्सपेक्टिव
Once
चेंजेस
you become a mother,
या
you realize, oh my God, how did your mother handle you? हमको अभी
Good one.
वो सब याद नहीं आता है because
राइट
according to me I was the best kid. I think I gave her more pain बचपन में नहीं बड़े होके.
यू आर ऑलवेज दिस जॉली
Always.
Yeah.
Always. Even more crazier, even more, I don't know.
I keep seeing you on social media, so I can understand that.
Yeah.
Now for you, you know, it is very important your time. I have seen that from. I have also sensed that ki, you need your time. You need your
I
girl's
need my-
time. You need.
I need my time, I need my girl's time, I need my kids' time, I need alone time. I have sections I have decided on. After 8:30 जब बच्चे सोने जाते हैं तब वो मेरा टाइम है. तो उसको मैं चाहे मैं फ्रेंड्स में डिवाइड करूँ या इवेंट्स में डिवाइड करूँ या पेंटिंग में डिवाइड करूँ, बट आई विल नॉट टेक देयर टाइम. हाँ, अगर काम है, शूट है, yes, I will ask them, I will go. Like to Chetty's, okay, this thing, I was shooting, then I come back. तो वो 3-4 दिन का शूट है, then you come back, then you make sure that you know you compensate.
But there's also a time when you might not be present a whole day for them.
Yeah.
I mean, पूरे time आप काम कर रहे होते हो.
Yeah,
ठीक है?
so that they have to understand. You have to in this life, or especially आजकल के दौर में जब माँ बाप दोनों मल्टीटास्किंग है और बहुत सारी चीजें करते हैं.
Right.
हम ये मैंने बचपन से उनको ये आदत दिलाया है. You know what most mothers do? बच्चे को रूम में भेजते हैं and then सटक के निकल जाते हैं.
Correct.
क्योंकि ये लोग रोएंगे अगर मैं बाहर जाऊंगी. That is wrong. You know, you can't do that. You have to go in the room, say bye-bye to them.
Correct.
Give them that knowledge कि it is okay. माँ को भी काम होता है, जाना पड़ता है और you know वापस आके बात भी करेंगे. तो abandonment issues नहीं होते बच्चों में.
Right.
अगर आप बाय बोलो तो खुशी खुशी आपको बाय भी बोलेंगे. जो छुप के चले जाते हैं फिर उनको ऐसा लगता है अभी मम्मी अंदर भेज रही है, देन हम बाहर आएंगे तो मम्मी मस्ट बी गॉन, तो वो अबैंडनमेंट एंजाइटी फेस करता है किड्स.
Absolutely, absolutely. Now they are, it be knowing that my mother is an actor, my mother is a, you know, doing, she's working with the
Absolutely.
business things, she's
Absolutely.
working 3-4 different, and for
Yeah.
them only at the end of the day.
And you make them understand, they will understand.
Yeah.
Don't teach them, don't try and make them behave like they're kids. छोटे humans है ये लोग, समझते हैं, they're very समझदार. So even when they say कि आफीन को बोलते हैं कि daddy take me here, take me there, no, they'll say no, I have work, after work we'll go. So they understand that,
Right.
and after work we do take them.
Right. That's a nice practice, by the
Yeah,
way.
you have to be open to them.
Right.
Whatever it is, you have to tell them. Like sometimes Afeen tells them कि नहीं, you're not buying this toy. वो no सुनना भी उनको पसंद नहीं है, लेकिन आपको वो used to दिलाना है कि भाई तुम entitled नहीं हो, तुमको हर चीज हाथ में नहीं मिलेगी. You know, you have to work for it, and you have to sometimes take no for an answer.
Right, absolutely correct. But what is one myth about motherhood people generally take such serious?
One myth about motherhood.
Yeah, मतलब बनने से पहले, माँ बनने से पहले there's a myth always going around कि ऐसा, you know, बच्चे होने के बाद you can't work, you can't do something like that, something.
Yeah, like I got कि okay, once you have kids, आप travel नहीं कर सकोगे. Once you have kids, you want work. Once you have kids, आपकी life खत्म हो जाएगी. Once you have kids, you will look like an amma. This is one thing I heard. I'm like, what is even that? And amma means what? What are you defining? You know, like you'll become bigger and out of shape and all. I think for me, I embraced it. I had twins and I was like the 9th wonder of the world. I was really big.
Yes.
And you have to enjoy that process. हम हमेशा पास्ट या फ्यूचर के सोच में चक्कर में ना प्रेजेंट भूल जाते हैं.
Correct.
और वो प्रेजेंट को एंजॉय करना जरूरी है.
Right.
और अगर आप जो भी बनो, आप अपने आप को अलाउ कर रहे हो वो बनना. Because I had C-section, I had an operation delivery, and I waited 6 months. I enjoyed that 6 months. I didn't rush to lose weight. No, you can't. You have to enjoy everything about it.
Absolutely.
So you have to enjoy your motherhood. और कौन कहता है कि लाइफ बंद हो जाता है? You have two humans that you're responsible for. That is the biggest gift in the world. So you take them and you grow. You don't become less. You grow. जैसे बोलते हैं ना, गिव टू द वर्ल्ड द बेस्ट यू हैव, द बेस्ट विल कम बैक टू यू. द मोर यू हैव, द मोर यू गिव, द मोर यू गेट. इट्स जस्ट कि आपका परसेप्शन अलग हो जाता है. आप एज एन एक्टर सोचते हो कि अगर मैं माँ बन गई तो ये सब बंद हो जाएगा, लेकिन एक बार आप माँ बनोगे ना, वो काउंट ही नहीं होगा, मैटर ही नहीं करेगा.
Correct. It's
It
just
doesn't
about
have
your
a bigger
craft.
goal.
It's just about your craft or talent at the end of the day. No one
And
will
you'll have
judge you.
bigger goals.
Yes.
You have bigger talents, and you will get probably more better things than you've already working on.
Correct, correct,
It's
absolutely.
very, very strange.
Right, right.
So all this is a myth. I'm sorry.
Correct, absolutely. And you said it right, I think.
Yeah.
Also wanted to know from you कि you know there is a time जब पेरेंट्स ना जनरली अपने बच्चों को सिखाते हैं दिस इज राइट, दिस इज रॉन्ग.
जी.
यू हैव अ गर्ल, आई मीन यू हैव अ बॉय. आप दोनों को ही आजकल सब साथ में ही सिखाता है व्हाट्स गुड टच, व्हाट्स बैड टच.
Yeah.
हैव यू एवर डिस्कस्ड विद योर चिल्ड्रन और समथिंग लाइक
Yes. Very particular about that. क्योंकि आजकल दुनिया में बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें हो रही है that it's completely wrong. And the news you watch, you as a parent, you get very, very protected. Not only towards girls, even for boys.
Yes.
It's, I think, more for boys also now.
Right, right.
So I am very protective. I mean, I get goosebumps when I talk about it. I tell them, apart from your nanny, nobody is allowed to touch you. ठीक है? हम बाहर भी जाते हैं तो मेरी जो नैनी है, अगर मैं नहीं हूँ तो she'll not let anybody touch like that. Like, कि अभी आप फेयर जा रहे हो, कभी कैसे कोई पकड़ के बैठ, no, we will do it. No need. Don't let anybody touch you. Even when guests come in the house, कभी कभी होता है ना, एक कॉमन सी चीज होती है, बेटा हग करो, बेटा किस करो, and if the kid says no, आप किड को डांटते हो. अरे क्यों भाई, उनका मर्जी है. Doesn't want to kiss, doesn't want to hug, please leave it aside.
Right.
So even when they say, अच्छा you give me a kiss, then I'll give you a chocolate. अगर वो किस करे ठीक है, उसकी मर्जी. अगर नहीं करे, please just give the chocolate. Don't force the kid to.
Wow.
It's they उनका परमिशन के बगैर आप कुछ मत करो unnecessarily. ये हम बहुत मानते हैं, like especially in London, also in Dubai, you just can't take anybody's kid and start loving. You can't do that.
That happens here.
I'm like, okay. So we're very, very protective.
Yeah.
My house is, if you see, there are cameras.
That's the best thing.
Yeah, so you can't just mess around.
I mean, after
At all.
Saif Ali Khan's house, everyone's house should have a camera.
Yeah.
Everyone's house should have a
we
camera.
do. We have in the building, we have in the house, everywhere.
This day you can't trust anyone.
Absolutely.
But it's a great teaching you are teaching to them
Yeah.
about your boy also and a girl two together.
Yes.
Which is a great saying and you said it
Absolutely.
very rightly. But also I don't know, and I have seen your post with Hrithik Roshan.
Yeah.
I know you're a fan also. You have a fan moment with him also, and you have a good connection with him.
Yeah.
But I want to know from your if you have any memories with him.
Yeah, I mean, वैसे तो बहुत सारी memories है.
हाँ.
I think एक हम लोग films में साथ साथ जाते थे पहले, and the recent memory is that he invited me and the kids to his house
Wow.
before he was leaving the old house.
हाँ.
And he had this beautiful dog and the kids loved him. And the kids just played with him. Hrithik bro बुलाते हैं. And बहुत मजा आया. That was the best memories because I saw my kids so natural, so like, and Hrithik was excellent with the kids. The way he was talking, the way he was conversing, he's a great dad. He's a cool person.
Yeah.
So just looking at that, like it was a beautiful memory for me. And even with Pinky Roshan, his mother, I think the first time जब मैं kids को लेके आई थी इंडिया, सबसे पहला घर था उनका जहाँ पे उन्होंने इनवाइट किया और मैं बच्चों से मिले. So वो भी मोमेंट है मेरा इंस्टाग्राम में, where it was very emotional.
Yeah, nice. But Mumbai has given you that full of warmth and love, nahi?
It has.
That's it.
It has. Yes.
You have some memories here in this Bombay place. I mean,
Lots of. I'm born in Mumbai.
I know.
So yeah, I have lots of.
But for a
memories.
time you were staying in London,
Yes,
and then
for a longest time. I stayed. Yeah,
yes.
I did my education in London.
Yes,
Yeah.
and then Dubai, and then
Yeah.
Bombay. You keep.
Yeah. मुंबई से एक अजीब सा लगाव है.
हाँ.
You can't get on. जहाँ पे भी जाओ, you'll never forget where you were born.
Yeah.
So and Mumbai has always been a special place to me.
Yeah. But what all projects you're working now currently? अब कुछ और पे काम कर रहे हो?
Now, see, the thing is, I'm not getting the projects I am seeking. तो वो filtration process होता है ना, वो ज़्यादा time लगता है because see, I'm not the kind of an actor who wants to जो भी मिला कर लो.
Correct.
नहीं करना है वो. अब एक reality show किया, अब I got some other reality show also. What is that? Jungle Ki Rani or some things like that, and you keep getting a lot of reality shows. I don't want to get into that space right now.
Right.
Now I just want to get real work, OTT good projects, and films. So still working on that filtration.
Right, you still approach to the actors, I still approach the directors or producers for these roles or something.
So
good
far I
projects?
haven't.
Yeah.
The casting people are calling and the managers are handling with it.
Huh.
So my work is just to see if I want to
Do it or not.
do it or not. Yeah.
But was your conscious decision to go together in Big Boss house?
Mine and Afeen's.
हाँ.
Afeen was the first person to be approached. मेरा last minute decide हुआ था.
हाँ.
तो हमारे ऊपर नहीं है ना, उनके ऊपर है.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
तो लास्ट मिनट में एकदम से धड़ 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 हो गया. और जब मैं अंदर थी तभी सिंघम अगेन रिलीज हुआ था.
हाँ,
So
I
that was
know.
also again. Yeah.
हाँ, you didn't get a chance only to
Yeah.
do the thing properly, but then it was great.
Yeah,
And
it was
people are
great.
calling you from that name.
Yeah.
But this Mother's Day, what you gonna do? Something special for your mother, or kids will do, or kids have will draw.
Already they have drawn some cards और वो लोग करेंगे अभी पूरा दिन every day.
हाँ.
And whether Mother's Day or not, वो लोग हमेशा एक कार्ड हम हमारे लिए बनाते ही हैं, मेरे लिए और आफीन के लिए. तो it's very touching.
Wow,
that
this
they
is
do.
cute.
And when we buy something for them, they always say thank you so much, and they have that gratitude.
Nice.
So that is also important to teach.
Right.
So sometimes me and Afeen take them to feed people, you know, to give something. फिर Afeen बोलेगा okay, give something that is yours. So वो अपना bracelet निकाल के देगी, अपना watch निकाल के देगा. So it's important that they learn how to give rather than only take. So
You empower women, you empower the women around you, or you give the classes or take the classes,
we do
seminars everywhere. Yeah.
Seminars करते हैं.
But do you still give those things or this all knowledge to your children also of empowering them sometime like that?
They don't need empowerment.
Right.
Already very empowered. And honestly, I don't empower women. I don't think we need empowerment, to be very honest.
Okay.
हम इससे ज़्यादा और empower हो जाएंगे ना तो दुनिया खा लेंगे. सही भाई, मत करो. It's like
Good one.
men have a different role, women have different role. Just love yourself.
Nice.
The more you love yourself, the more you're happy with yourself. That's all you will need.
Correct, absolutely. They everywhere it's full colorful.
Yeah, it
मतलब
is.
पूरा colorful है, पेड़ है, ये है. I want to know ये किसने खरीदा था आपने?
Yeah.
क्यूट. बैठे हो कभी खुद भी आप? बच्चे के साथ बच्चा बनना पड़ता है क्योंकि.
I love it. I'm telling you, वो लोग ने मुझे और क्रेजी बनाया है. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि उनके आने से मैं थोड़ा बड़ी हो गई हूँ या माँ बन गई हूँ. नहीं, उनके साथ मैं बच्ची बन गई हूँ. So we run on the beach, we get dirty, we just play crazy. I mean,
Cute. I keep
it's
seeing your
crazy.
videos.
It's
हाँ, होटल
crazy.
भी जा रहे हो तो आप वो वहाँ पे जोकर आया हुआ है तो जोकर के साथ भी खेल रहे
Yeah.
हो, मस्ती कर रहे हो. So इनके रूम में भी plants हैं.
Yes.
They give water?
Yes. They give water. They love giving water. तो स्प्रे करेंगे, पानी देंगे.
And they sit here and eat?
Yeah.
Nice. That's cute. Cute one.
Thank you.
I'm loving these pictures of yours.
It's like it looks very filmy ना. कभी
हाँ,
खुशी कभी
कभी
गम.
खुशी कभी गम. Exactly.
जब खींचा था और ऐसे फ्रेम किया था तभी वो मन में ऐसे था नहीं that
I
we
think
want to
this
do
is,
that.
I
But
think this is Amitabh Bachchan and Jaya Bachchan. Full zone. I don't know. He's also looking like Hrithik Roshan here.
his mother always tells that.
है
you
ना?
know, yeah.
Cute. He has a good relation with Hrithik,
Yes,
na?
sure,
He
yeah.
has transformed
Yes.
him totally, and he keeps saying it. He keeps saying this.
Yeah.
I've seen this. But ये सारे pictures, you make happy when skies
You
are
make
grey.
me happy when skies are grey. This is my first trip to Ladakh when we trekked. Ye Kashmir,
Nice.
Sikkim, Ladakh, and this is my favorite picture. As a family, first time we faced the camera.
Nice.
So 2 महीने के बाद भी इतने छोटे थे सोचो. So they were this much when they were born.
Oh my.
So yeah.
But did you have you gone through any depression after this pregnancy and all?
You know, actually, funny thing, borderline depression, borderline, that's called baby blue. और ये बहुत common है and आपको realize भी नहीं होगा. Luckily for me, I was in London, जहाँ पे 2 बार हफ्ते में बच्चों के लिए नर्स आती है घर पे.
हाँ.
And once what happened, I was too busy like with the kids, you know, sleeping, not getting time to sleep क्योंकि एक का feeding हो गया, फिर दूसरे का,
देना है. Yes,
फिर
yes.
दूसरे का फिर potty training, फिर nappy
Yeah.
training. So you forget yourself and then you are so exhausted कि आपको खाने का time नहीं मिलता है. If you don't eat, you can't feed.
Right.
So it was like crazy and then you're exhausted, you know.
Correct.
तो एक बार nurse आई and she saw me very exhausted and she said, how is it going? I said, yeah, the kids ka weight is so and so, this is so and so, this is. She's saying, I'm not the kids nurse, I'm your nurse. So I cried. I said, you've come for me. She's saying, आई वांट टू नो योर वेलबींग. क्या होता है ना, स्पेशली एशियन फैमिलीज में ये कॉमन है कि जब बच्चा होता है तो एवरीथिंग बिकम्स अबाउट द किड
Right.
and the mother is neglected. It is very important that mother gets that love, mother gets that attention, because a happy mother, happy kids. Not happy mother, और पता भी नहीं चलेगा you're not happy. तो when I gave birth, I thought, why is nobody happy? Why is everybody looking like, oh अभी बच्चा है तो हमको ख्याल रखना पड़ेगा ये. I wasn't happy. I couldn't be happy. Something was not right. So I was getting very sad. Nobody is there to look after me. Nobody likes the kid. Nobody likes me. Nobody, all that. So I went to the doctor. Afeen took me to the doctor saying you need to talk, because what happens is when आप कभी हस्बैंड वाइफ एक दूसरे को कोच नहीं कर सकते हो. जैसे अगर मुझे अपने बच्चों को पढ़ाना है, I will have to hire some tutor.
Right.
It's always the case
Absolutely.
because
Correct.
you are taking each other for granted. So
Granted.
you have to take professional help. So the doctor told me, I know what you're experiencing, and it's called baby blues. And ये होता है most of the cases में between the birth to 4 years तक. And I was like, really? And then I started realizing. Then he said, do you want to get into pills? And they were antidepressants. Because me and Afeen in our profession, we take people off the pills.
Correct.
Huh? And when he said that, I'm like, no, I don't want to be on pills.
Right.
Pills also make you numb.
Numb. Yes.
And they do nothing.
Right.
I'm sorry, I'm like saying this on
No,
camera.
no,
I'll be
this
like
is-
totally gone for it, but we don't believe in pills. So
I totally agree this to things, because I also don't. I have seen people around me who is going through. I always say them first thing that pills won't help you.
Yeah, no,
I
it makes
feel
it
this.
worse.
Yeah.
So after that I decided, and me and Afeen together decided, जो मेरा life था शायद वो cut off हो गया है. Maybe I need to go out. तब ये breakthrough हुआ कि I can take the infants and go out together. So me and Afeen, even if it was for half an hour or 1 hour or maybe 5 hours, we used to take everything. We used to go for drive, we used to go for coffee, we used to go for dinners, we used to go for lunch. And that's when slowly I
Started
yeah.
enjoying.
Yeah, now I think about it. My God, how can I think like that? Ki nobody's happy, nobody loves me, nobody loves the kid. These thought process keeps happening to you. So you have to have a very supportive family. Or at least a very supportive partner.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah, totally.
you do.
Understand. Wow, this is a great thing you
Yeah.
spoke to us.
And it does hit you,
Yeah.
and you will not even know.
Yeah.
That's the thing, you will not know.
Yes, which is very important these
Yeah.
days. I mean, these days also women go through such things still.
Yes. कुछ भी हो, घर पे भी हो, just change your state. थोड़ा सा तैयार होके बैठो, you'll feel good immediately. I had let go. I'm like, कहाँ तैयार होने का टाइम नहीं, बाथरूम में जाने का टाइम नहीं, ये क्या, मैं घर से बाहर ही नहीं जा पा रही, रूम से बाहर नहीं जा पा रही हूँ. But when you make a decision, get ready, you feel good, you put them, you take your bag, go out. You go for cafes, people will help you. People
Right.
will come to you, people will love your kids, they will love what you are. It'll just change everything. You know, people will give you more attention because you have kids and babies. It's just fun. It's just fun.
It's absolutely. But there's all a full light वाला room भी, घर भी बहुत सारा पेड़ है, बहुत सारा plants है. You're making sure everywhere you keep plants,
Yes.
children rooms.
Yes, everywhere. अभी तो कम है यहाँ पे. They've taken to maintain it,
Clean,
but
हाँ,
yeah.
Nice. They have a good
And
balcony
also,
view.
I'm going to take them to a nursery. जो मेरी फ्रेंड का है, सोजल है, वो उसका खुद का नर्सरी है, एंडोग्रीन्स. तो आई वांट टू टीच प्लांटिंग टू किड्स, सो मैं उधर लेके जाने वाली हूँ उनको नर्सरी में. we'll be
That
doing
is beautiful. This thing also green color में.
yeah. ये सब उनका ही सिलेक्शन है. So they're going to design their own room. इसके लिए बहुत raw है,
हाँ.
खुद के लिए.
Nice. Teddy bears, anywhere सब उन्होंने ही खरीदा है?
Yes. Teddy bears, most of the teddy bears are mine. क्योंकि I am a teddy fanatic.
Nice.
तो लंदन में like बहुत सारे टेडीज है जो मैंने कलेक्ट किए थे. तो
उनमें से एक ये है.
this one was like a Christmas teddy that I had collected. So जब भी लंदन में ये हुआ था ना, baby shower मेरे, full house was full of teddy bears. तो the kids, the जो माएँ हैं, जो friends हैं, वो आके मुझे कहते हैं, ओ इतने सारे आपने खरीदे अपने बच्चों के लिए. ऐसे नहीं है मेरे. They're mine, which I'm going to pass on to my kids.
I love how you've kept 2 beds. है ना, जनरली मैंने देखा है कि एक ही बेड पे दोनों बच्चे सो रहे होते हैं, या है ना, हमने ये किया है अपने टाइम पे. बट आई लव हाउ यू हैव केप्ट 2 बेड्स इन इतने अच्छे तरीके से.
They have their different identity. बचपन से 2 different cots, 2 different beds.
Who is more naughty, the boy?
भाई दोनों टर्न्स लेते हैं.
हाँ.
दोनों का मूड स्विंग्स है, दोनों टर्न्स लेते हैं. So it's not कि one is naughty and one is not. They both.
हाँ. But who is close to mom and who is close to dad?
That is a very difficult question because sometimes I think कि Aiza is close to me, sometimes I think Zidane is close to me. It's just it's different.
ये जनरली हमें बचपन में यही पूछा जाता है ना, आप मम्मी से ज़्यादा क्लोज हो या पापा से क्लोज?
आप उनको भी पूछोगे तो वो बोलेंगे both. और मुझे भी ऐसा लगा नहीं अब तक like okay this one is close to me and if you ask me I am more attached to the girl. I'm not saying I'm not attached to the boy. But एक लड़की होता है ना ज़्यादा protection. I don't know एक internal कुछ ऐसा होता है. Like I can kill for her and I can die for him. That is the difference.
Right.
I can really kill the world for her and I can die for this guy. So it's like that's the only difference.
And you also teach them?
Yes, a lot of things like not education because education people
tutor,
will,
yeah.
I teach them values and beliefs which is important. And mostly even Afeen takes that role.
And अगर किसी को कोई कम numbers आ गए या कुछ आ गया then
I don't
scold?
care. They are not going to school. We are homeschooling.
हाँ. Oh.
So yeah. So pass, fail ये सब मुझे अभी इनको नहीं देना है. हम कौन होते हैं उनको पास फेल करने इस उम्र में? You know, by putting them in a system where you are telling a student or telling a kid you're failed and you're passed, that has a very bad impact.
Right.
So I want them to have fun for 7 years. Then I will put them in an institute which is good for them.
That's cute. That's correct. Absolutely.
But for now, they travel with me, with Afeen. They learn our values, they believe, culture, religion, maths, English, whatever it is. They do creativity, they do art with me. मेरे हर पेंटिंग में उनका कुछ टच है by the way.
हाँ? जैसे इसमें?
ये.
Oh.
हर एक पेंटिंग में दे. I don't tell them नहीं ये मत करना खराब हो जाएगा. No, let them explore.
Wow. This is nice. We want to come out and let me know हम guess कर पाते हैं उनका touch की नहीं paintings में.
So it's a wolf and like for instance when I'm painting my kids will come, can I do this, can I do that? I don't say no to them. तो ये एक spiral इन्होंने यहाँ पे बनाया है.
हाँ.
Okay. Spiral है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं यहाँ पे ये बनाया है. Then this paint that is falling, they have done it.
But generally artists do not allow, you know, to do anything on their paintings or something like that. But you are saying that your kids come and do it.
They
That's
make
great.
my art. So whatever they do is fun. And आप genuinely अगर अच्छे artist हो तो आप कुछ ना कुछ बन ही जाता है.
Nice.
कौन बोलता है artist के लिए क्या right है क्या wrong? How do you know what is right and wrong in this?
Correct. It's looking great.
Thank you.
As usual. This one is also done by you?
Yes. So I wanted a very different painting for my main area.
Okay.
तो again मुझे चाहिए था जो house के theme के साथ match हो, you know, like black, greys, silver, whites. और बहुत मुश्किल से मुझे you know मिल रहा था painting. Either it was very expensive or it was something that didn't match. So I just thought stuff it, I'll make my own. And then I put it also at a slant.
Slant, which is looking very crazy. Yeah. But why black and white? Because of the painting?
Because of the house theme.
Oh, okay.
और ऐसा भी नहीं है ना कि आप अगर एक चीज बनाओ तो उस पे ही अड़े रहो. I can change it any time I want and give
change
it
it on
different.
itself, हाँ.
So when you have the theme like this, जहाँ पे black, white और grey है, तो आप अलग-अलग पेंटिंग भी रख सकते हो.
Right.
आप कुशन्स के साथ खेल सकते हो, आप पेंटिंग्स के साथ खेल सकते हो, आप हर बार एक घर का थीम चेंज कर सकते हो.
Right, absolutely. This is right. Crazy. Now, if we come to this painting, this is tiger, na?
Yeah, this is lion, tiger. I have to complete his
This
eyes.
अच्छा ये करंट है जिस पे आप काम कर रहे हो अभी?
No, just इसका और उसका दोनों का आँखें का रह गया है. Because I want to do very different eyes. So I'm just waiting.
Crazy. Loving it.
So this is also textured and this is a two-tone. So if you see with the light, no, you'll see the gold. It reflects. The gold completely reflects.
Yeah. Correct. This is very pretty.
उस पे silver reflect होता है, इस पे gold reflect होता
And
है.
it's all going with your room, I guess, ना?
Yeah.
सारी चीजें आपके रूम से connect हो जा रही है कहीं
हाँ,
कहीं से.
it just
This
matches.
is also going with your
Yeah,
this room
because if
color.
you have white,
Yeah.
you can even put splash of colors and it'll work.
Work, yeah, it is looking crazy. I mean, होली के दिन सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा होगा ये.
इसमें भी आप हर एंगल में अगर देखो, हर जगह अगर आप लाइट शिफ्ट करो ना, तो किसमें सिल्वर है, किसमें गोल्ड है, सो इट्स गॉट लॉट ऑफ
There's
शेड्स.
lots of shades, yeah,
Yeah.
that's right. And here afterwards, here,
And this,
ये क्या है यार? ये
so
वो
I encourage, see my kids,
Kids.
it's my kids.
वो बच्चों में आ ही जाता है मुझे लगता है. If they see their parents doing something crazy. Nice. It's done by.
This is Aiza and Zidane, so they have done this painting.
Ah, nice, yeah. Something cool.
Yep. So they'll do whatever they want. They made trees and tomatoes on the trees and I don't know what not.
And then you teach them कि यहाँ blue करो, आसमान blue
No,
होता है.
explore करते खुद.
True. I mean, they look after something or they directly start making.
Imagination.
Oh.
They use their imaginations.
Nice. This big, huge tree.
Yeah.
Cute. Oh, you love playing piano?
My kids are learning.
Oh, but
Yeah.
my most favorite part in this room, in this whole room of yours, is your paintings. You know?
Thank you. Thank you.
I mean, जिस तरीके का आपने दिमाग लगाया है ना, to keep your things with your art in front of you,
Absolutely.
which is very important.
See, your house has to represent you.
Right.
तो जैसा भी हो. It's
Right.
जैसे बच्चों के रूम में everything that is representing them,
हाँ.
even their art, like they've kept it here,
Yeah.
and let it be here.
Nice.
जहाँ पे भी उनको रखना है, it's their house, it's their art.
Nice.
I don't want to make it seem like a hotel, कि no ये यहाँ पे नहीं, ये यहाँ पे. खाली tidy रखो and do whatever you want.
That's great, right? And why this? I mean,
Piano because kids play piano, so they're learning. You know, everything, like we encourage art, we encourage talent.
हाँ.
Let them explore whatever is good. You know, what works for them, what doesn't work for them. Which is why I don't want to make them into, you know, a school-going kids एकदम से, क्योंकि वो पूरा ही उनका खाली studies में होगा. सब हम सीखते हैं, अब हम सीख जाएंगे.
Correct.
English, Arabic, Hindi, सब आ जाएगा हमको.
Correct, absolutely.
It's just like you have to discover yourself.
Yes.
This is like the discovering, you know, moments for them.
No, that's absolutely correct. And this painting, the last painting of this room, want
Yes.
to know,
This also.
is a tiger, right?
Yeah. Actually, you know what? There was a mistake. तो मैं lion बना रही हूँ, फिर मेरे को याद आया, oh my god, मैंने tiger बनाया है. तो अभी इसको मुझे correct करना है.
And it also has number of, you know, colors, shades.
Yeah.
Sorry, shades has.
I love it. I love the textures. I love to play with all different textures.
Wow, nice.
So it's maybe all these patches the kids have done. So
Also
they will
this-
keep doing, yeah.
Also, this was your idea of this full frame thing, the black
Yes.
and white,
Yes.
to go with the black and white. Crazy, because the whole room is black
Yeah.
and white, right?
Yeah.
Nice. Crazy.
And for me, my favorite part of the house is actually my library.
Wow. Nice. Hi, it is so organized, man. So organized.
It's mine, Afine's and the kids' space because हमारे वर्क कॉल्स यहाँ पे होते हैं, जूम कॉल्स यहाँ पे होते हैं, मीटिंग्स यहाँ पे होता है. अगर आपको इनकरेज करना है अपने बच्चों को रीडिंग के लिए, तो यू हैव टू हैव अ स्पेस वेयर दिस इज देयर, वेयर बुक्स आर एक्सेसिबल. सो दिस इज फुल देयर
बच्चों
सेक्शन.
का, हाँ. Nice. The painting books are there. The sketch pens are there.
Yeah.
That's really cute. Nice.
So
Nice.
everything.
You like reading books?
Yes, I do.
Yeah. Nice.
I do.
And even kids are loving.
Yeah. So all that section is also there. Is the games.
Games.
ये भी.
Do they come here, study here, read there?
Yeah. They can come, they can sit, they can read anywhere. So they pick up a book from here, pick up something maybe अगर room में जाके coloring करना हो या यहाँ पे बैठ के coloring करना हो या कुछ.
Nice.
So everything to do with books, yeah. is here.
This is a good habit.
Yes, absolutely.
Very cute space. Very cute space.
Thank you.
आज के टाइम पे भी, you know, you're keeping this computer जो पहले हम use करते थे. PC is there. It's just very pretty. Nice.
Thank you.
Nice. Oh, this is your strongest on-screen and reality of the year for the movie
Yeah.
Singham Again and Big Boss 18. ये छोटी-छोटी चीज ना, वो जो लगता है वो
जी.
उसको बाद में पता चलता है. Nice, nice. There's a very good and calm space. बोलते हैं ना, peaceful जगह एक जरूरी है हो.
It is.
होना घर पे.
घर में है, but it is shut as well. So you can just open all these sliding doors and then
Yeah.
you can shut them as well completely.
Yeah,
So
yeah. Oh, this is cute picture.
yeah, for that moment. And this also we have, which is our first date.
Oh. And you guys were in Mumbai only. तब ना.
This was in Hong Kong.
Oh. It was such a lovely, you know, talking to you, Sara, as
Thank you.
always. we'll talk to you more now. We'll keep talking to you, and पूरे घर का vibe is very crazy.
Thank
Very
you.
crazy. I love every bit of this place. Every corner speaks something. सबसे ज़्यादा important तो आपकी art, जो कुछ ना कुछ message दे रही है, with the colors, with the shades and everything.
Yes, it does.
Thank you so much. Before going, I just want to wish you a happy Mother's Day.
Aw,
Thank you
thank
so
you.
much for talking to me.
Thank you.
Thank you.
हाय मैं हूँ सारा अफीन खान एंड मैं सबको गलाटा इंडिया के व्यूअर्स को हैप्पी मदर्स डे की बहुत बहुत शुभकामना विश करना चाहती हूँ। और मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि आप माँ हो, आपको गिल्ट फ्री रहना है, आपको खुश रहना है, क्योंकि अगर आप खुश हो तो आपके बच्चे खुश है, आपके परिवार खुश है। ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हमको, ये सेल्फ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हमको लेनी है। प्लीज़ डोंट डिपेंड योर हैप्पीनेस ऑन अदर्स, नॉट इवन योर किड्स। यू आर द सोर्स ऑफ हैप्पीनेस। यू गिव एंड यू विल रिसीव। So stay blessed.